See, once you get into any campus, it is very important to interact as many as a student as possible. So we have got some bunch of students. Let me try and talk to them. Hi guys, good morning to you all.
Good morning, sir.
So you all are having some chit chat time.
Yes, sir.
Can I join you for a moment?
Yes, why not? Please.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Sure.
Can you all introduce just to once?
So my name is Shesh Rasto and I am from Lucknow studying.
Can you in which semester?
So I am in first semester.
First semester.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Person two.
Okay, so good morning, sir. My name is Manjula Singh and I am from Uttarakhand only.
Good morning, sir. I'm Anushka Chakrabarti. I'm basically Bengali, but I'm a resident of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. That's a union territory.
Okay.
And I'm also in my first year MBA.
Okay. And please.
Hi, sir. My name is Khushi Singh. I'm from Delhi, and like everybody, I'm in my first semester studying MBA here.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. I'm Lakshmi. I'm from Jamshedpur, coming to Dehradun for the first time, and I'm pursuing MBA from DBS Global University.
Okay. And
Hi, this is Gandhi Vaishnavi from Hyderabad, Telangana. I am here an MBA Business Analytics student with a minor in finance.
okay. Please.
Oh, very good morning, sir. Myself, Rahul Mishra. I live in Greater Noida and I'm here in Dehradun pursuing my MBA from DBS Global University.
Okay. So, Vaishnavi, you told
Hyderabad.
that you are from Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
So, from Hyderabad coming to Uttarakhand, what makes you do that?
First thing, I was not looking for any metro cities for my MBA because
What is the
been,
reason of that?
I have been brought up in Hyderabad my entire life. I was born in Maharashtra but brought up in Telangana. I worked for 2.5 years in Hyderabad itself after my UG, and I didn't want to do an MBA in metropolitan cities. When I narrowed my search list down to really quiet and pleasant cities which had very decent MBA curriculum with business analytics, because of course for a business analytics major I need industry ready institutes to teach me.
Yes.
So I narrowed down my list to only 2 colleges, and best among those was DBS Global
What was the
University.
other college?
It
Which was the other college?
AI University, Karjat, Maharashtra.
Okay, that UBS.
Yes.
UBS talking about
Yes,
UBS
yes,
AI
yes,
University. Okay. Now, would you agree with the Vaishnavi that even in these small cities also can offer the best of the exposure?
Yes, sir. Why not? It doesn't matter in which city the college is situated. It matters what you can learn from the university or from the teachers which are present there. For example, coming to DBS has helped me understand how things work actually, how a corporate world works, how MBA works, what are the subjects and what are the difference between every subject and what is the importance of every subject. So I guess it depends on you how you want to learn it and how much you can grasp from teachers, from your Didi Bhaiyas here, from anyone in the college.
Okay.
So city is not a major factor, I think. It is up to you how well you are managed to do that.
Okay. What's your view?
So, since I'm from Jamshedpur, I
Yeah.
never discovered Dehradun. I'm here for the first time, and I love to
This
travel.
actually reflecting from your eyes.
Yeah, and I really love to travel. I love mountains. I love waterfalls. When
Okay.
I came to Dehradun, I went to Koti. I saw the waterfall for the first time, and I enjoyed it so much. Actually, I'm so much connected with nature that that was the reason I think DBS Global University Dehradun attracted me from Jamshedpur to Uttarakhand. And also, sir, the environment is so peaceful here. Like, I love peace, and the college provides a very peaceful and vibrant environment to the students.
So before joining the college, you must have some kind of picture hill area. Is
Yeah,
going to be the
sure.
Uttarakhand. Is it the same?
Actually,
time
I
you take?
thought that I didn't come to the college beforehand. I only came when the final admission process started. So I didn't have any idea that the college is surrounded by mountains. But yeah, the college is in Selakoi. But the campus itself is so beautiful that you won't feel that. Yeah, we go to places, we visit every weekend. So if we want to explore, we go to Rajpur Road, we have Lander, we have Masuri, such beautiful places to explore around. So you don't feel that distance from the mountains.
What's your view?
I completely agree with what Lakshmi has said because I myself come from Delhi, which is super crowded,
Yes.
polluted.
Yes,
You name
definitely.
it, and that thing is happening in
And just
Delhi.
sorry interrupting you, Lakshmi. See, as I was talking to Rahul also, while deciding the college, what
Mhm.
should be the main, points which you should consider rather than just, blindly going to, no, I have to do it from Bangalore or I have to do it from Pune only.
Absolutely, because the offers, I shortlisted 5 colleges.
Hmm.
I gave
Which
CMAT.
are those ones?
Yes. So I applied for Manav Rachta University, which is
Okay.
in Delhi, so
Okay.
closer to my house. UPES, which is again in Dehradun.
Okay.
I applied for Alliance University in Bangalore and ISBR in Bangalore again.
Okay.
I got admission in all these colleges.
Okay.
I cracked all of these.
Huh.
Choosing DBS, we chose DBS because of the fact, of course, the fees is way much less than as compared to other colleges.
So
60 lakhs.
have you given any entrance exam?
I gave CMAT.
What was your score?
It was 83.
83.
Yeah.
So definitely all the colleges must have opened door for you.
Absolutely. But like I said, the fees was way lower. The ROI was very nice because getting into a 16 lakh college where the fees is 16 lakhs and where the average package is again 10 lakhs.
Hmm.
So it makes no sense. The fees here is 8 lakhs. The average package is 8 to 10 lakhs. So the ROI is 100%.
Mhm.
Right? So I'm
Hmm.
spending 8 to 10 lakhs over 2 years and earning 8 LPA in a year. So no,
Mhm.
it's more than double. So
Hmm.
that was first criteria.
What things you actually considered or what parameter you decide that I finalized I will go to DBS on?
Right. Of course, the fee was the first thing. Location, it mattered, but not up to a certain extent because I was very flexible. Because I was planning to move abroad prior to that, but the fee was way much higher.
Hmm.
That's why I dropped that plan. That's why I couldn't give CAT in the first place. Fee, of course, primary reason.
Mhm.
Taking lakhs of loan
Mhm.
and then spending years to repay it.
Hmm.
For me, it makes no sense.
Okay.
Even if you get into an IM, paying
Hmm.
25 to 30 lakhs, okay, yes, IM gives you a placement in Amazon and Google and whatever MNC, you name it, you'll get placement there. But to sustain that job, you need skills.
Hmm.
So for me, I'm very adamant. I'm a true advocate of the fact that it only depends on the individual of what type of placement you crack. Even if you speak to all the 660 MBA first year students here, all there will be 660, their reviews.
Mhm.
It is very subjective. What you can fetch out of the college is completely on the individual. Life I live here is very different from what she will live here. Very different from what other 660 are living here.
Hmm.
Choosing a college should definitely the external factors, the fee, proximity from your hometown to the college, how often you can travel to and fro. Of course, the job opportunities. Of course, we are all here for placements. But I think at the end of the day, it is completely on the individual of how much you can fetch from a university, because like you see 6 of us sitting here, it is also an opportunity to sit here and talk.
Hmm.
Not all 660 are doing that.
Yes.
Right.
Hmm.
So I think it's the image that we all have built in front of the faculty, in front of the management of whatever skills we have. And I think
Excellent. I really appreciate the way you pin down all the things. What is your view? Let's talk very practical things because you are also going to be, looking forward for a great future, and somebody who is watching, they were also looking forward to join the college or to look forward to join a better company, better placement. So let's be very real and talk whatever is realistic.
So adding to the points, I would also like to mention the alumni that we have here,
Hmm.
because I have connections in the industry, and regardless, my seniors have from my UG have also studied here. They passed on and they are working in various sectors. So the alma mater also creates a very good impact, and it helped me narrow down this. And I have been a traveler
Hmm.
before since, because I did my UG in hotel management, went to Goa for job, went to Delhi for job. Then I was 2 years back in my hometown Lucknow,
Hmm.
and then all these crowded places give me a narrative that okay, get a settle place, settle, and have boundaries respected, and be far where you have peace of mind.
Mhm.
And Dehradun with this college has given me that state of mind, and plus also given the opportunity to outshine that yes, the instant abilities that I had in the previous sectors.
Mhm. So once you were deciding the college, which all colleges you had in your list?
So the colleges that I had were ISBM Pune
ISBM Pune. Okay.
and Alliance, as she said, ISBR Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
These and NDIM Delhi. was there. So irrespective of these three crowded places, I decided to come here.
Mhm.
And as I said, alumni networks and all these things matters to me a lot. And the placement is also very great if you look. And the specialization that this our university offers is mainly greater because SAP and SAS are the two major things that only this university is providing as of now.
Mhm.
And when we talk about the AI integrity coming into the place, we are being taught how to use AI correct manner. Like
Mhm.
the prompt engineering is being taught to us, which also sets this college a very, very different apart on the levels which no one is going to touch. And if we talk about the IMs, yes, my friends are also studying there.
Hmm.
We have the same rigor and everything going on. So I don't see any difference as of now between an IM grad and the graduation that we are going to get from this college as well.
Okay, so overall it's like that. It also depends on you also.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you also put your point?
Yes, sir. For me, it should be in Uttarakhand because I have to help my father in the family business. So I have to live around the Uttarakhand. And beside that, after the classes, we have a lot more clubs that are working and are regulated by the students itself, like dance club and music club. We are enjoying a lot. Besides from study, we are also having the field survey, company visits, and a lot more to do as MBA
Let's
students.
discuss about the clubs only because I have
Yes,
heard
sir.
many students are
Yes.
talking how these clubs are basically helping you guys, like in your personal development. Like,
Okay, so I am in dance club. So after exhausting myself in the 7-8 hours, I
Huh.
have to exhaust my this aggression and something. So I dance for 1 hour and like that I'm relaxed after that.
okay,
Yes, sir.
so
To add on to
yeah,
that,
please, please.
to add on to what she
You can
said,
like I don't have like don't wait for I should.
Yes,
If
yes.
you have to add, just you can always ask for the mic, please.
So, apart from just the cultural clubs, we
Hmm.
have domain specific clubs as well, which
Oh.
is a layer upon layer. We have
Okay.
cultural clubs, we have different sports clubs, and then we have domain clubs.
Okay.
Domain clubs, for example, finance domain has one club,
Okay.
HR domain has another club. We have a special particular speaking club as well for interpersonal development and skill enhancement.
Okay.
Which is the most active, I think.
Hmm.
She is a member of that club. She has more to add on to.
In the spectrum.
Yeah, please.
So yes, like I am part of the Spectrum Club. I think you are too,
Yes,
like
yes.
right? Kushis too. We are the part of the Spectrum Club. So
What
they,
is this Spectrum Club is all about?
Spectrum Club is all about how well you speak on stage to get the fear out of you while you are speaking on stage in front of everyone. Because I mean, it's very normal to be nervous, to get those nerves when you are on the stage. So they organize these activities. Like I think the last activity we had was jamming session for 1 minute, where you will be given a topic and you have to speak like impromptu for like 1 minute.
Mhm.
So now you get ideas from people. You are communicating with various people. You are getting those ideas, and it's all amazing.
Mhm.
So after these classes, we get to interact with people in a way academically as well, and it's also fun. So I mean, these clubs are really amazing. And I've also, yeah, sure.
Hmm.
So I'm in the dance club, and
Okay.
since childhood I love dancing.
Okay.
TBS Global University gave me this opportunity to come up and show my skills.
Uh-huh.
So recently, on 3rd September, it organized a dance competition called Navras,
Okay.
by which you had to show 9 different emotions through dance, which was love, courage, anger, anxiety, and everything. And I won the first prize there. So
Oh,
it was
great.
yeah,
Clapping. Great,
yeah,
great. So
and
you have the a platform also apart from the regular academics. You also have the platform opportunity just to come up. What are the rest things you can do in your life?
so, sir, I think academics would make it monotonous, but here the students are getting time for themselves, giving some time for the things that they're passionate about. So, I got a chance for dancing, which also enhanced my personality. Also,
Mhm.
taught me to like how the team works, teamwork, adaptability, which was also helped me to be a great manager. So, I think it has been a great experience.
Very small example that how these are combined, how these are the balanced approach towards it would help me. For example, I was a very shy person,
Mhm.
and since my I guess from 9th and 10th onward, I was lean towards marketing.
Okay.
And marketing requires a bold person, a confident person, a person
Mhm.
you have to be from outside.
Mhm.
Now,
Mhm.
what helped me joining theater as a club? Now, one person would think why, how a theater doing a nukkad natak, doing a stage play would help me in becoming a marketing manager or in marketing in any sort of field. Now the point is, when I stand in nukkad natak, the amount of voice I use, the amount I put up to engage the street, because it's a street play, so the amount of engagement I put up the street, it helps me to how in sales, in marketing, I would convince people towards me. नुक्कड़ नाटक में हम लोगों को कन्विंस करते हैं कि आप आओ हमारी सुनो.
मार्केटिंग भी में भी कई बार नाटक ही करना पड़ता है.
Marketing में भी नाटक ही करना पड़ता है. तो
Your expressions, your confidence level,
हर
your
एक चीज.
conviction, your eyes to eyes contact, these all things works in the marketing.
Because sir, the problem is that parents usually don't support. वो कहते हैं कि जैसे मेरे father ने खुद बोला कि how would theatre help you become a better person? Why to join a theatre club? Why to pay 3,000 rupees in DBS for joining theatre? These 3,000 would help me bring 3 lakhs.
Okay, great. So, Melab, this is something we should also learn from, that it's not like this particular nukkad natak won't, let you learn anything.
Yes,
Marketing has to, it's a kind of natak only, which you have to done. It is your choice that you have to join the club.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So you can join.
It's voluntary.
And second thing is that how the clubs are being monitored.
So this concept in DBS is also again dynamic, as everything in DBS is. The mentoring happens by the faculty. We have heads representing these clubs. But
Who are the representatives? Are the faculties or the students?
the representatives are the students.
Students are the representatives.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
There is a separate board for placement cells. There's a separate club for interpersonal skills. There's a separate club for finance domain. There's a separate club for robotics. And all of this does not require any prerequisites. You are free to volunteer and be a part of any of these cultural, sports or domain clubs. The students lead and represent these clubs, and the teachers mentor them. It's just what a perfect teacher in any institution is supposed to do. Just support students
Okay.
and let them shine out
Adding
front.
to
Okay,
your
okay.
point, I remember the initial days. I and Khushi, we both went to Jaipur. It all because we went and grasped the opportunity that every club has to offer us.
Okay.
In the initial days, we were very unaware that okay, we'll be getting an opportunity to go out of Dehradun, representing our college at a state level, at a national level. She went further ahead onto the national level, and I congratulate her. But the peer support that we have is dynamic and superb, I would like to say, because even though I lost at the state level, my peers are like, be grateful and we are very proud of you that you went and represented us at a national level, at a state level. I would like to ask Khushi.
Yeah, Khushi.
To add to this, I'll come to the Jaipur point, but there's
What
this.
was that activity?
Okay,
Just
so
in a one line.
yeah,
to
of
brief.
course. So there's this organization, Young India,
Okay.
organized by CII, which is Confederation of Indian Industry. So
Okay.
led by government. So it has an association with DBS. So the preliminary stage, there's this at night 11 o'clock. We have just joined DBS. A week after, we get this message that tomorrow you have a speech competition, and the topics are what? Global warming, pond rejuvenation. So we abruptly prepare. Next day, like it says that it is very easy to shine amongst people who are lazy, right? So when you're new, you're still adjusting to the environment, you're not so proactive. So we took that opportunity. Next day we presented, got selected, cleared the inter-class round, then cleared the inter-university round. Then we competed amongst the Uttarakhand candidates coming in from various universities like Graphic Era, IMS Unison. We won there. We represented in the North Regional round in Jaipur. I won there, and I went to Bangalore for the nationals. Nationalized, we couldn't win, but there were only 15 candidates all across the country who were representing great cultural, mix and match
So
diversity.
it shows that the opportunities are always
Absolutely.
there. You have to just bang on. You have to be little aware. You need to be little
Absolutely.
involved.
Like I previously said, that I'm a very big advocate of proactive nature of a student. It's you who can drive your career. No, university, teachers, faculty can only give you a certain push.
Like a mentorship.
Exactly.
What would you advise to do to the students who are just blindly going for the highest placement and lowest placement and average placement?
My advice to that candidate would be please work on yourself. and do not depend on university, be it IIM, be it any university for that matter, because I myself am a part of CDC, which is the career development cell of the college. So our team brings in companies to college, organizes everything, hospitality, agri, everything. So everything's a part of a CDC. As a CDC coordinator, I can assure you that, of course, our job is to bring in the companies, but your job is to crack the interview. We can't help you with PI. What you're speaking inside, we can't regulate that. So it's absolutely on the person of what CTC you crack. It's your
So
personality.
one line, because I think our discussion is going longer. So one line I need from all of you for the placement. Whatever the 30-35 seconds you can speak about your view that about the placement of DBS.
So the placements here are entirely, like she said, I completely agree, are on self. Now, when I give an advice as a student, as a person who is going to next year sit for a placement, is find your selling point and polish yourself. It's not a competition among students. It is how you represent the best of yourself in front of you. I might not be equally skilled as he is. I might not be equally vocal about what I am like he is, but I should have my own unique selling proposition, and I should work on myself. You should be the best of what you can. That is how you shine up. There's nothing more.
Great.
There's nothing more than that.
Sure. So as for the placements, there are companies coming from the diverse sectors. We have in marketing.
Like if you just name
Yeah,
few
sure.
companies also.
In marketing, we have Zara, Dabur, ITC. We also have some fashion brands, and in HR we have Crescendo Global. In finance, we have Axis Bank. Yeah. And many more. So here as students, we are getting opportunity from every domain, from every sector. Like the student cannot complain ki this company didn't come or I didn't get a chance to sit for that. You yourself have to grab the opportunity and sit for the company. So that is all I want to say. And you have to be very confident. Confidence and self-belief are the two keys for success, sir. So what I believe is that this university has given me that self-confidence and also giving me the opportunities so that I can rise and shine.
What is the average placement or highest placement you practically feel, or what do your view that I am definitely very confident I am going to get the placement?
Well, not to comment on what I can crack, because I know I have good communication skills. It's just that I need to brush up on my practical knowledge, because you need concepts. You cannot your communication, of course, will help you crack a job, but you need the core knowledge.
Core knowledge also.
Absolutely.
Definitely you are right.
Yeah, so we're still in first semester. There's more time for me to grasp and the core concepts.
But
of
you have understood that where you have to
Absolutely.
work on more.
True.
That's
I know that.
the-
Absolutely.
You need to understand, you need to find out where you are lacking and where you have to work the most. Maybe he has to work more on communication and you have to work on more on your core knowledge. So that completely depends
Exactly.
student to student.
So there's
Exactly.
no point in competition like that. We could help each other. In
Yeah,
fact,
definitely.
we would help each other. I would tell him, Rahul, this is where you're stuttering. Rahul, this is where you are taking too many pauses. You need to be more confident. You need to structure your thoughts. And he will tell me, okay, you are far behind in your foundational skills of SAP. Then go on, sit. These are the videos you can choose to watch. That is how we are. That is what yes,
Peer
that is
learning.
what Shrey was also talking about. That we are helping each other, we are
Definitely.
supporting each other, build that best out of ourselves.
Okay. So what is your view placement? Just one liner, one and then I have a rapid round for you guys. So I just want to complete that also. Placements. Just
For
talk about the
So
placement.
placement, the one thing that would be very beneficial as of now would be polishing ourselves and not getting into the spectra that is in the industry that we'll be working for this minimum package. Leave that plethora behind that you have to work for this. Get the idea that we have to crack a job first, not the money. It will eventually come, but getting the knowledge is the basic structure. That is the main core essence.
Position over package.
Okay, so along with our support and everything, we have a way along dynamic management and our like CDC coordinator. They are helping us a lot. Like this time internships were for our first semester students. So I was there for event fashion, and they were like dynamic. They said us to not wear formal clothes, only wear funky and that chubby clothes to represent us. So
Okay.
that was a way beyond experience for me for not wearing formals,
So
and
you all had one internship.
so we have
Okay.
to do
Okay.
internships.
Okay, you have to do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, sir.
okay. And you?
So I'm targeting Deloitte. Okay, and I did not mention it earlier, but I've gotten a scholarship from the college. So I have a scholarship. The fees is low, and the company that I'm targeting is
What
Deloitte.
scholarship you have got? You get some. You have had some, entrance exam score. Like
Yes,
which entrance
CAT,
exam?
CAT exam
What
score.
was your percentile?
83 percentile.
83 percentile.
Yes.
So the 83 percentile, you definitely have a lot of options.
Definitely. I mean, I also got into Symbiosis business analytics and banking and finance, but the fees were too high and the ROI absolutely low. And
Okay.
I also got in Nirma HR, but I wanted to take finance as my major, which I did here.
Uh-huh.
So I mean, the company coming is Deloitte. It's okay even if they don't offer me the highest package, but now the fees is 30 to 32 lakhs, and I have friends who are studying there, were studying there, and did not even get a placement of 8 lakhs.
Oh my God.
So the ROI is nowhere near,
Hmm.
and comparatively, this college, if I'm paying 8 lakh fees, or let's say completely 12 lakh fees,
Mm-hmm.
I
So what was the scholarship you got from the college?
30%.
30%
Yes,
scholarship.
30%
Okay.
of per semester fees, and it is actually
So it is
useful.
for the first year or it is for the on the entire fees?
It's per semester, and there
Okay.
are criteria that if you there are attendance criteria and marks criteria. If you complete both of them, you will again get the scholarship of
Okay.
30%. It will be continuing.
Okay.
So I mean, accordingly, comparatively, this college provides much better ROI.
Because
So
if you do it, like I think fees is around 8,75,000,
exactly.
and if you get 30%
Yeah,
scholarship,
it's
so
a
it's
lot.
going to be somewhere around 6.5 lakh rupees, and
Exactly.
6.5 lakh rupees, even if you get a 6 lakh rupees placement, that's
It's
fantastic.
amazing.
What
It's
else you need?
actually.
And rather than going for a 20 lakh college, that to be on loan, because most of the students go for higher studies for loan also. How will you pay your EMIs in 6
Right.
lakh rupees?
I mean, as I said, position over the salary that I will be getting, the placement that I'll be getting. So, to everyone who will be watching this, stay consistent, get out of your rooms,
Huh.
talk to people. This campus really has a lot to offer.
Thank you so much.
I have a thing to add to it, that why this is happening,
Mm-hmm.
why these big colleges are not able to cater that ROI.
Mm-hmm.
The problem, I think, is the students are thinking the brand will work itself.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't mean if you join IIM you'll get a high paying job. The reason is what students are doing. For example, if I joined IIM, my thinking would develop like कि अब मेरा हो जाएगा, अब मैं IIM में आ गया, my placement is done, I'll achieve success in life. But this is not how things work.
Mm-hmm.
For example, when you're coming to DBS,
Mm-hmm.
you feel you have a complexion that ठीक है यार ये IIM नहीं है. But here you think you decide to work on yourself because you think the brand is not going to give you that much like the IIM is offering.
One more thing I would like to add, that placement जो होगा वो आपका होगा, कॉलेज का थोड़ी ना होगा.
Yes, sir.
You know, the last batch का जितना placement हुआ है, like mostly student find out what was the last batch placement, what is the highest placement. अरे जो placement हुआ है वो तो last batch का हुआ है, कॉलेज का नहीं हुआ है. कॉलेज का तो placement is like you guys. If you excel on skills, if you work hard, if you know that how you have to increase your level, then placement is yours.
And sir, adding to your previous point, placement, the high one, being a marketing guy, I would quote this line कि पैसे के पीछे मत भागो,
हाँ हाँ.
पैसे को अपने पीछे भगाओ.
Good.